Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in and show you what I'm making for my smoothie. So I haven't had anything to eat today yet. This is going to be the first meal of the day. And let me just show you what I have. Let me flip the camera around. Hey, I'm back. So I like to drink out of the mason jars, and I do have a couple, what do you call it, like the stainless steel. I have the stainless steel cups that keep your drinks cool. But I'm a Floridian, and I know every Floridian probably has one of these Flanagan cups. So I always have one or two of these around. They're really good just to have, you know, because they're so big and you can put a lot in there. So I'm going to put my smoothie in my Flanagan cup. Okay? Okay, so I have some organic strawberries. These are frozen, and I like that they're frozen because they're going to give it a nice, you know, frothy, smooth texture to the shake. I'm going to put a drop of this milk thistle. This is really good for cleansing. It's good for your organs, especially your liver. I'm going to probably put 1 or 2 scoops of this Sassy, Slim and Sassy V-Shake. This is really good. It's high protein, it's vegan friendly. And I'm going to use alkaline water, which is a must, really good for you. I'm not going to put this in my shake, but I like to have my vitamins next to me when I have my shake because I feel like it's easier to swallow. So I'm going to have 1 or 2 of this evening Primrose. This is really good for you. These are some of the things it has in it in the back there. Good for women. Hair, skin, and nails, mood. And this is my multivitamin. So I'm almost out of this, so I'm going to have to get some more vitamins. I'm probably going to go with the Slim and Sassy vitamins, but this is like halfway done. So this is a good like all-together multivitamin and vegan friendly as well. And then I feel a little bit puffy, so I'm going to put 1 or 2 drops of this turmeric oil in the shake as well. And then I have some vitamin C and some other vitamins back here that I'm going to take so that I can just like drink it all down with my shake. So I'm going to blend it up and I'll be right back. It looks so good. So creamy and delicious. I'm ready for this. Put my big straw in there. This is so good, guys. So I got I got all my good stuff in there. Let me flip the camera around so I can show you what I put. There's my strawberries, frozen, organic, non-GMO. I got these from Aldi, by the way. They have really good deals on there. Frozen fruits and a lot of other things. I got my Slim and Sassy V-Shake, high protein, my cleansing milk thistle. I got a drop of the turmeric oil for inflammation. I'm feeling a little puffy. And I'm going to go ahead and take my vitamins. Oh yeah, I used the alkaline water. I'm going to go ahead and take my vitamins and get my body right. Start feeling good. Start the day off right with something really good and nutritious. So that's all for me, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. If you want to check out anything that I mentioned, I'll leave it in the link tree. If this is on Instagram, on YouTube, I'll leave it in the description box below. Talk to you guys later. Bye.